Good morning, students. So once again, we discuss examples based on similar triangles. पहला एग्जाम्पल लिया था ए टेस्ट का था उसमें. Now in this example, we are required to identify whether these two triangles are similar or not. So here, length PM and UV, their ratio 6/3. It is 2/1. Length Mn upon Vw, it is 10/5, that is again 2/1. So we get here ratio of two sides of triangles are equal and angle included between them are equal. ट्रायंगल के दो साइड्स का रेशियो और उनका इंक्लूडेड एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. दैट्स व्हाई the given two triangles are similar by SS test. So we have learned that if two sides are in proportion and included angles equal, triangles are similar. So we justified here that triangle PMN is similar with triangle UVW by SAS test. In next example, here again we are required to identify whether triangles XYZ and MNP are similar or not. So again we find ratio of corresponding sides. XY upon MN, it is 14/21. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. YZ upon NP, 20/30, again 2/3. So we get XY upon MN, it is equal to YZ upon NP. But the sides which are in proportion, angles included between them are not given congruent. And when the included angles are not given congruent, then obviously the triangles are not similar. Okay, so ध्यान रहे हमेशा जो sides proportion में है उनका इंक्लूडेड एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट अगर है तो ही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है SAS से. उसका मतलब ही है दो साइड्स जो प्रोपोर्शन में है उसके बीच का एंगल SAS A इंक्लूडेड एंगल इक्वल चाहिए. इंक्लूडेड मधला एंगल ज्या साइड्सचा रेशियो इक्वल आहे यांचा मधला एंगल इक्वल पाहिजे इंक्लूडेड एंगल. तो जर नसेल तर ट्रायंगल सिमिलर नाही. अदरवाइज ऑब्वियसली हा जर गिवन असता तर मात्र तो झाला असता सिमिलर. सो हियर साइड्स आर टू साइड्स आर इन प्रपोर्शन but included angles are not given congruent. So you can say that these two triangles are not similar. In question number 4, we have to complete the activity to prove that triangle APB and triangle AQC similar. So we have angle APB as it is perpendicular. We get angle APB, it is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, AQC is also 90 degree. As each angle is 90, we get APB is congruent with AQC. Also, angle PAB and angle QAC, this is one and the same angle. So PAB is congruent with QAC, common angle. Two angles of one triangle are congruent with two angles of other triangle, so they are similar by AA test. Very simple. In question 5, it is given that in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at point Q such that twice QA equals to QC, twice QB equals to QD. We are required to show that CD is equal to twice AB. So in short, as we are required to prove relation between the lengths of sides of these two triangles, here we have to prove the given two triangles similar. So for that we use this given condition. So here you can observe that twice QA, it is equal to QC. So using that fact, we get here twice QA is equal to QC. So transposing these terms, you get QA upon QC it is 1/2. ये इधर शिफ्ट होगा और टू राइट साइड में, so that we get QA by QC 1/2. Also second given condition है twice QB is equal to QD, therefore QB upon QD it is again 1/2. We call it equation 2. So right hand side of both equation is same, therefore we get here in triangle AQB and triangle CQD. In these two triangles we have QA upon QC is equal to QB upon QD from 1 and 2. So ratio of two sides QA by QC, QB upon QD या दोन साइड्सचा रेशियो इक्वल आला आणि यांचे included angles congruent आहे. Their included angles are equal. So angle AQB is congruent with angle CQD because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore we get triangle AQB is similar with triangle CQD by SAS test. Two sides are in proportion, included angles congruent, therefore triangle similar by SAS. So finally to get required result we choose sides according to the result required. As I required CD, I choose AQ upon CQ. It is equal to AB upon CD. AQ by CQ will be equal to AB upon CD. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. AQ upon CQ is 1/2. So from equation 1 I put this value 1/2 AB upon CD from 1 and then cross multiply you will get CD is equal to twice AB. So this is your required result. So we can easily get this required result from the given conditions. मैं वापस एक बार बताता हूँ, ठीक से ध्यान देना है. ये given है twice QA equal to QC. QC when shifted to this side obviously it gets shifted into denominator and 2 again here in denominator. ये into है, इधर जाने के बाद divide होगा. Similarly twice QB equals to QD. So QB upon QD is again 1/2. दोनों इक्वेशन का RHS सेम, so left hand sides are equal. So we get here ratio of corresponding two side QA upon QC, QB upon QD. ये दो साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल, इंक्लूडेड एंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर बाय SAS टेस्ट. ट्रायंगल्स अगर सिमिलर है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल आएगा. सो AQ upon CQ equals to AB upon CD. This value from equation 1 is 1/2. So I replace this ratio by 1/2. Cross multiplying I get CD is equal to twice AB. तो ये यहाँ तक along with solved examples मैंने बताया, एक भी स्किप नहीं किया. 1.2 completely मैंने सॉल्व करके दिया है. So you have to now perform writing practice very thoroughly. ये देखो, ये सब कुछ आपको मैं अभी एक्चुअल लाइव देखने वाला नहीं हूँ, but you should take your own responsibility. So responsibly आप खुद ये हर एग्जाम्पल को एटलीस्ट 2 times 3 times इसको लिख कर देखिए. अगर समझ में नहीं आता है गो थ्रू वीडियो 2 times 3 times 5 times. जब तक समझ में नहीं आता तब तक लिख के देखो. कोई और भी डिफिकल्टी है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन वेरी रेगुलर बेसिस. रेगुलर बेसिस पे प्रैक्टिस करो तो ऑब्वियसली ये बहुत आसान है. सो अब इस पर बेस्ड प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 इसमें के पहले 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको करना है. ओके, So you have to perform first 4 questions from practice set 1.3. ये पांचों मैंने सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल भी आपको सॉल्व करके दिए. राइट इट. आपका रजिस्टर कंप्लीट रखो, वीडियो सिर्फ देखो मत. जो भी मैं आपको लिख के दे रहा हूँ वो आपके रजिस्टर में भी होना चाहिए. जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वो आपको सॉल्व भी करना है. ओके, सो वी स्टॉप हियर. In next video we will discuss next practice set, that is 1.3.